Hey guys, welcome again. How you guys doing? So today I'll be showing you how I made this cat animation on Protopie. It's gonna be a short tutorial, so let's get into it. So before we start, I have some exciting news to share. So Protopie will be releasing the free plan on the May 30th of this month. So you no longer have to worry about being on the 30-day trial. Anyone can use Protopie for free forever. Isn't that exciting? Yeah. If you want to read this blog or to learn more about it, I'll be posting the link in the description below. So let's get started. So I have my Protopie app open, just created a new pie, and on here you see we have some of the things we'll be needing on the card. So I got this cheap from an icon site online, so you could just import one of this. I made this text for our card number and the balance and just some two circles that represent the MasterCard logo, I think. So before we start, I think obviously we'll be needing a video. So to get cool videos for your card, you could go to YouTube and search something like abstract animated lines background. So something like this will come up. You could just find whatever suits you to use for the card. If not, you could try this site. It's called pexels.com. Don't worry, I'll be adding all of the things we use in the description below. So you could search for abstract 3D lines also, and you could see cool stuff like this to use for the card. So I won't be downloading anything because I already picked mine. So when you're done, just import them into Protopie. So let's get into it. So mind you, if your video seems large, you could compress it on a software called Adobe Media Encoder, or you could just find a compressor online to use. So I'm just gonna go ahead and import the video I already have. Okay, so this is the video I picked for the animation. So first thing first, we're gonna take off all of these outside. Just drag it out by selecting all of them. You could just do it like this, or you could select everything by holding shift. I'm gonna go ahead and create a rectangle that we'll be using. So you head over to shape and you hit rectangle. We could draw something like that, but if you don't know how to get the whole shape for the card, we could just type something like 366 and 176 should do. So I'll put this in the middle. If you want to get the right point, you just hit this button right here and it just center it for you. So I'm gonna add some radius here, say about 10, or let's say about 20. Yeah, that looks good. So next thing, I'll resize the video as well so it kind of fits this. So I'm gonna go over here and click on the width and change it to about the same size as the rectangle. So 366 and 176. So if we try to do that, you notice the video looks smaller than this, so this is not good. So all we have to do is to change the width to 366 and we leave the height to stay as this. Doesn't matter. So next thing, I'm gonna push the video on the left panel. So you click on the video and we drag it to the top so it sits at the top. So and I'm gonna put it to stay here. Now I'm just gonna use this to center it, and I'm gonna click on the rectangle and use as max. So you see, now that we did it, the video is already hidden, so you can always click on the video and adjust it to where we want, but I think I'm just gonna undo that because I like where we have it. So finishing up, I'm gonna group these two and hit Ctrl G on my keyboard and add this to one container. So I'm just gonna call this video. And I'm gonna put all of these I got to the front. So I'm gonna push this video to stay at the back, and I'll start to add all of my stuffs in front of it. You can use whatever style you choose, don't mind mine. I'm just doing it this way. So I think, oops, I think this looks good, and I'm just gonna fix this a bit. So if we preview, notice the video isn't playing. So to fix that, I would expand this container and hit the video. We check the play and we check looping, so it keeps playing. So if I preview this now, see the video is playing. So that's it, guys. It's a very simple and short tutorial, so go practice, use this for your project, and send me a message if you have any questions. Just leave a comment below. I hope you guys enjoy this. Thank you guys, and goodbye.